Hey everyone, you just watched my drawing of The Hobbit, let me know what you think. I also want to mention my new channel background, designed by Johnny Edmonton. His gaming channel is XJAEXZ, and his new YouTube design channel is Johnny Edmonton. If you can, please click the links here or in the description to check his channels out. Also, if you haven't seen it yet, please check out my snow time-lapse video from last week by clicking the annotation at the end of this video. Please like, share and favourite this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.